The second question is, should Eastern thoughts be present in the Philippine education system? Why or why not? So, the Eastern thoughts should be present in the Philippine education because of its cultural relevance. So, the Philippines shares Asian values such as respect for elders, family importance, and community-centered living. And the second one is the holistic development. So, Eastern philosophies emphasizes emotional balance, spirituality, morality, and harmony, complementing Western scientific approaches. The third reason is the character information. So Confucianism, discipline, and Buddhism, mindfulness can strengthen values education. So the next one is for well-being. So practice like reflection, meditation, and ethical reasoning can help students manage stress and become more grounded. So however, this should complement, not replace, the Western and Catholic influences by respecting the country's cultural and religious identity.